Good day to all of you. Today we shall study quantitative aptitude in that arithmetic ability section. The topic being percentage. This is my 8th video on this topic, that is percentage part 8. In last video we have solved percentage related problem on population. Today we shall take up a problem on election. Okay. So the question is, in an election between two candidates, 75% of voters cast their votes. Out of this, 2% of the voters are declared as invalid. A candidate got 9,261 votes, which were 75% of total valid votes. Find the total number of votes enrolled in that election. Here let X be the total number of voters. So 75% of this means 0.75 into X. So many voters cast their votes. Okay. Out of X, 75% of X casted their votes. X is the total number of voters present. Only 75% of the voters casted their votes. So this is the number of voters who casted their votes. Out of this, 2% of the voters are declared invalid. So invalid votes are out of this. Out of this means so 0.75x. So out of this, 2% means here 0.02 into 0.75. So this is invalid votes. Okay. So this is the casted votes, that number, minus invalid votes. So let us continue reading. A candidate got 9261 votes, which were 75% of total valid votes. So this is total valid votes. 0.75 into this, because 75% of total valid votes is equal to 9261. So then what is the question here? Find the total number of votes enrolled in the election. Right? So then what is X? How many voters were there? Right? So this is analysis and approach to the problem. Now let us solve this equation. Now taking the equation, here 0.75 into 0.75 we have to do. So 0.75 into 0.75 x as it is. Then take this keeping minus as it is. 0.75 into 0.02 into 0.75 x. So that should be calculated. 0.75 into 0.02 into 0.75, that equal to 9261. Okay. So 0.75 into 0.75x is 0.5625x. So minus as it is. Then 0.75 into 0.02 into 0.75. This x is here. So this should be here. Okay. That equal to, we have to take here. Now this 0.5625x minus 0.01125x is equal to 0.55125, x equal to 9261. Hence x equal to 9261 upon, so this taken on other side, it becomes divided by. So divided by 0.55125. This is equal to 16,800. So what is x here? 16,800. So what is the meaning of that? The total number of votes or voters enrolled. So the total number of voters or votes enrolled, that is 16,800. Okay. So coming back to the problem, find the total number of votes enrolled or voters enrolled in that election. That is, X is found out to be 16,800 here. Hence, the answer D is correct. That has to be ticked. So that is what is mentioned here. Okay. Now let us verify the answer. Here the total number of votes enrolled or voters enrolled in the election, that is X, is found out to be 16,800. Whether this is right or wrong. Now 75% of the voters cast their votes. So 75% of this means 0.75 into 16,800, that is equal to 12,600. Okay. So out of total 12,600 people casted their votes. 2% are invalid. 2% of this are invalid means 0.02 into 12,600, that equal to 252. 252 is the number of invalid votes. Then how many are valid votes? That is 12,600 minus 252, that equal to 12,348. So these are valid votes. 75% of total valid votes is equal to 9. So 75% means 0.75 into valid votes 12,348. How much it is? When we calculate, it comes out to be 9261, which is same as what they have given, hence our answer is correct. So that is what is the verification, and that is the complete analysis, approach and solution of the problem. But this problem has to be solved within 2 or less than 2 minutes. To arrive at that capability, one must be thorough with the understanding of all basics involved in the topic and practice of solving many different kind of problems and solving same problems many times. Only that understanding and practice can make one be able to solve any complex problem in less available time in any competitive exam and come up with success. Okay, I hope you understood. Thank you.